You know, there are organizations right here in our community who can truly say that they make a difference every single day. And one of those with a tremendous impact is the Coastal Bend Food Bank.
That's right. For decades, they've worked to feed residents from 11 counties. Now, their capacity has increased with the addition of a new facility 5 times bigger than where they've been.
Yeah, it is impressive. It is huge. 3 News anchor Mike Gillespie, joint photographer Preston West, and executive director B. Hansen for a look at how the new building will enhance what they do.
With a new facility come new opportunities, and that is what you will find at the new Coastal Bend Food Bank space along Bear Lane. What hasn't changed, though, is the opportunity to serve people.
People that are working, but their paycheck just doesn't stretch long enough, and they come for us for emergency food before the next paycheck comes in.
Executive Director B. Hansen says they learned much during the COVID pandemic, and some of that is reflected in the design of this new building. Among those lessons, how much more efficient it is to utilize a drive-through with easy access to the warehouse to hand out food. Once inside, you find evidence of other discoveries.
We went and visited other food banks to learn what they had learned when they built. And one of the things that they all told me said, B, don't go out, go up. And that's why we went up with higher racking.
The limited capacity at the old building meant having to pay $100,000 a year for off-site refrigerated storage. But here, it is easy to be impressed by the amount of cold storage available. And just when you start to adjust to the lower temperatures,
I told you, you haven't seen anything yet.
An impressive freezer kept at a cool -10 degrees. Having more capacity means a wider variety of food will be available since they no longer have to worry about having a place to put it. Moving on, there is a space for social services to work with families who need help beyond the boxes of food. In addition, a large classroom and kitchen facilities for those who want to learn how to practice better nutritional habits, be it adults or children.
You know, you ask a kid, what is crunchy and orange? What do you think they tell you?
Carrot?
Cheetos.
Upstairs, a number of offices for those staff members who have had to work out of closets, and a large community room that will also be made available to other nonprofit groups. Hansen says that the people of the food bank are first responders, and the need to expand their ability to help has never been greater. Mike Gillespie, 3 News.